name is Frederick Nnamdi Dipembo. I'm a smartphone business consultant. I teach you how to maximize the potentials of your smartphone to boost your productivity and profitability. If you'd love to keep watching videos from, kindly subscribe on the button below, and just beside is a bell icon. Tap the bell icon to keep receiving notifications from me.
If you've always wanted to download a video from YouTube but you cannot, this tutorial is going to teach you how you can download videos from YouTube, Instagram and Facebook instantly. So first off, you need to download an application called VidMate. The download link to this application is on the description below. So for instance, you find a video of choice. For instance, this video by Kida the Great. Okay, so of course you need to make sure that you have that application first. So I'm going to tap on the share button. So you just scroll down, you see download video. Okay, so it's going to take you directly to that application VidMate, where a download option will pop up. So you can select the option, the quality of the video you want to download. And if you also want to convert it directly to music, maybe you're downloading a music from YouTube. Okay, so this application also gives you the option to download the video in the MP3 format. All right, or if you want videos of any quality, okay, you can just tap on any of them and tap on download, and it will start downloading. To download videos from Twitter, so when you get to the video post, so tap on this button right here, you see share tweet via, then you would see download video, this button, and that leads you to VidMate. All right, so the button is going to open the video with download options, so you can just download from any of the sizes and tap on download. To download videos from Facebook, this video here, to download using VidMate, I'm going to tap on the button here, then I'm going to tap on copy link. So I'm moving over to VidMate, so I'm going to come here and drop the link. Okay, go. Alright, so this is the video, and this button over here is a download button. I can download it even as an audio, or I'll download it as a video. There are actually applications that can help you do this, but I just want to teach you how you can use VidMate to download videos from Instagram. So I'm going to tap on the link here. I'm going to tap on share link. So just the same way, you see download video. All right, so I'm tapping on download video, so that post is going to appear here to download. As simple as that. So that is how you can download video fast, quickly and easily with VidMate.
If you like that video, I guess you want to keep receiving videos as awesome and value-packed as this. So all you have to do is to click the subscribe button down below, and just beside the subscribe button is a bell icon. Tap on the bell to turn on notifications, and you'll be the first to know when we release a fresh video. Thank you.